So recently I've been tasked to design a toy car, specifically a CO2 car. The point is that I'm going to make it a very fast car, and I'm also going to make it look cool. Maybe. I'm given a block of wood with these dimensions, and I have to cut out a car, basically. Need to keep a specific part of the car where the CO2 bullet thing will attach to the car and then get launched. You might be wondering, how am I going to approach this task? Well, that's the problem. I don't really know anything about cars. I don't know anything about it, but Lotus is a flower name, and flowers are pretty. Also, apparently it's supposed to be fast. Here's my concept drawing of how I could squeeze the car into the block of wood. It's an okay drawing, but we still need to make a larger drawing that will be the same scale as the final product, which is why we put minimal effort into this. Oh, it's a butterfly! I don't even know where I left off last time, but as I was saying, I don't know, we need to make a larger drawing, same scale as our final product. After long hours of staring at my paper and thinking, we finally can start building. We just transfer it onto the block and then cut it. So this is probably going to be like one of the only parts where I'm actually talking while recording. All the other parts are just like voiceovers. Here we have all of our leftover scrap pieces, our drawing, and here is our car. So we have the part taped up here where I accidentally cut it off when I wasn't supposed to. I'm just holding it together every time I cut. So next we have to do is like cut out this little thing out of this part here, draw it on. I really don't know what I'm doing, but so far it's looking pretty good. It's currently is not symmetrical, sadly, but when we sand it down, hopefully it like looks better. You can kind of just see its overlay. This is looking kind of sad. I mean, it's good, but it's kind of sad. Is it okay? So I don't really have much footage of anything that really happened in the wood shop because I don't want to. Yeah. Now that we were done that, we can finally start painting, something that I can actually show you. question still remains. Will my car be the fastest? I only took clips of my own race because I didn't know if I wanted to include other people's and if they were okay with it or not, because I didn't tell anyone I was doing this.